So the next question of integration we have is, this is the integral of x root x minus 1 divided by square root of x minus 1. So the first thing I can write is, x can be written as x only and square root of x can be written as x to the power half minus 1 divided, the same thing I can write x to the power half minus 1, right? And dx will be written as it is. And they have already given the answer. The answer is in the form of ax square plus b x to the power 3 by 2 plus cx plus t, right? So we just have to find the values of a, b and c, d, correct? So now this part can be written as x and x half. This can be written as what? X half. This will be 1 and half. So this will become 3 by 2 and minus 1 divided x half and minus 1, correct? Now we have, I can write it as x to the power half cube minus 1 divided by x to the power half minus 1. Now this 1 I can also write it as 1 cube. The benefit I will have is, this will become what? A cube minus b cube, and one of the method of writing the a cube minus b cube is a minus b multiplied by a square plus ab plus b square. So if I'll break this in the form of a cube minus b cube, I can write it as x to the power half minus 1, and a square is what? X only, plus ab is what? Square root of x I can write, or I can write x half only, x half into 1, I can write it x half into 1, and plus b square is 1, right? And divided by x to the power of half minus 1. Now I can cancel this part with that part. Now I will only be left with integral of x plus x to the power of half plus 1, and dx will continue as it is. Here I missed out dx. Okay, so what is the integration? Integral of x will be x square by 2. This will be what? X to the power half plus 1. This will become 3 by 2, and here I can write 3 by 2, or better I am writing here 2 by 3, right? 2 by 3, because 3 by 2 it will become 2 by 3, plus this will become x and this will become dx, no? So this will become whatever you are, I can write it as form of any constant. So since they are using the constant d, so any constant is d, correct? Now do the comparison by ax square plus bx 3 plus cx plus d. If I do the comparison with this, I will get the values of a is equal to 1 by 2. A is equal to 1 by 2, and same thing I will do the comparison, b is equal to 2 by 3, c is equal to 1, and d is equal to nothing, means d is equal to d only, right? Because d is the constant I am using here, right? So this is the final solution. A is equal to half, b is equal to 2 by 3, c is equal to 1.